Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about the last index of method, which is in the part of array. So what it returns, it gives you the last index, which a given element, or you can say given item, can be found in the array. Or if it's not in the array, it will give you -1, you know, as usual. So let's begin. So what you need to do is create a var um, animal animals and throw a bunch of animals array of string dodo tiger penguin and now see, keep in mind what I'm doing using the dodo double time. So do what the heck. So when we do that, next thing what we're gonna do is use the log method. I mean console, log it on a console animals dot last index of, and inside that what we're gonna do is pass dodo. So when we're done with that, it's gonna give you the last index of that. So this is the place, the fourth place, or in the computer perspective, the third place. So give you the third three, and the others, the others will be tiger. It will give you this. So this is what it does. Tiger, it's 1, and if you put something like pig, it will give you -1 because it's not present. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.